Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Karuna, and I think everybody knows about it that I'm running a series on Canva tutorial. So today's episode is basically how to create websites using Canva. You all know that Canva is a designing platform. Creating a website with Canva is a breeze. From stunning templates to customization, the possibilities are endless. There is always a question, why should we use Canva for websites? See, it is user friendly and visually very appealing and offers a range of features and free templates available. So, so first thing first, familiarize yourself with the interface of Canva, and then it is super intuitive and you can find it all at your fingertips, from templates to design elements. So without wasting much time, I would like to uh, share my screen, the platform that is Canva. So here we go. I'll just shift this and then come on. So here you can find out. So under the design spotlight, you can see under the subcategory marketing. So let me check here, marketing. Below that, you have the option website. Just click on that. Now you can see n number of templates available for websites. See, so you've got so many templates available. So you can search whichever you want to use for your business. You all must be knowing what is a website. To make it simpler, I would like to tell website is a collection of web pages in a single domain. Got it? So nowadays, so click the button, create website. So after clicking the button, you will have to search for which template you want to use it. As I said before, you can start from scratch. You have plenty of free templates available inside. So let us see here. You can see here, go for see all. Now you can see all the free templates available. Now let us choose one, that is, let me choose digital consulting. So here it shows it has 6 pages and apply all 6 pages. You can choose one page also, but you can choose all the pages also. Now click apply all pages. Now all pages are here. So the first page, the second page, and the third page, and you have FAQ page, and also you have review page, and also finally your contact details page is also there. Now, in case if you want to add more pages, you can just click on the button which is below, that is add page, and then it automatically add the page with the same theme and color. Right. Now, if you want to change the color, you don't like the color of the website, you can go to here, choose the background color, and you can go for any color change. Now let us check. If I choose this blue color, light blue color, and say change all, so how this is changed, let us see here. See, all the pages background changed to the color which I have chosen. Now you can check another color also. If I want another color which is matching with the theme, I can go for it, click change all, color changed across. Now you can see the background had become light purple color. This is how you can go for the background change. Now let us talk about how to go for the change in the font. Now, if you don't like this font, and even if you want to, like it is a grouped object, so you can select it, you can go for ungrouping, and then you can go for change of the title. Now, if it is not digital consulting, if it is something else, maybe yours is a computer company, maybe Computech. So you can change it. And if you want to change the date also, you can change it. If you want to change the logo also, you can change it. If you want to change the color of the font, you can again choose the text, go for the text color and go for another color, which you like it. So this is so simple to use it. Now, here you don't want to have this text. So you can select it, delete it, and you can write whatever you want and save it. So this is how you can change the text material, content material, which is already there. Even if you want to change this title, you can go for it. And in case if you don't want this moving object, you choose the object and then you can go for click the button delete, and you can easily click and delete. And you want to add some element here, again go to element, and then you can go for, if I want a computer picture or a laptop picture or an icon, I can go for it. See, I have many and I can choose any. Like I think this will be better. So I'm choosing, and again drag and again drag and drop it, resize it, make it bigger, make it smaller, and then your website, this page is ready. Now come to the third page. You have this digital consulting services. So if it is a computer repairing services, you can change the title accordingly. And if you want to change the image, click on the images and just click on the images and the frame will remain. Now you go to again this element and click for man using computer laptop. Let us see. Now you have quite a lot of elements here. You can actually use any image, whichever you think that will suit here. Now, this can be brought in and move according to this and done. The changes are done. Now, again, the second image third image I want to change. I can again bring it and then just move over the frame and you get it placed over here. Now again, one more we need to change. There again, I can use something else. Yeah, this one, I can bring it and I can, now the whole website page is modified as per your need. So again, the content below, you can select, Control A, select, delete it and type whatever you want. And you want to change the font, select it, go to the font area and then go for choosing another font. And if you want, you can change all, or if you want only this particular portion, you can change it. This is how you can change the image and also change the font. Now, FAQs, the similar way, you can go for the change of material, content, everything, color and everything. So this is how here, if you want to change the color, you don't like the color, you can go here and then choose another color. And again, here you want to change the color, again choose and change the color. So this is how you're going to change the template as per your own needs and requirement. So done. So you have made the required changes. Got it? The similar way, each and every page can be changed with the content and also design. Now, even in the first page, I need something very interesting. So I can go for, again, laptop element, choose something which is very colorful, or else whatever way you want it, you can use it. I wish this one is good. Come on. So it is with an idea. So I'm using it. I'm dragging it and dropping it and change the size of the image. Now your website is ready. Now let us see how we can preview it. Go for the preview. At the left-hand side top corner, there is an option for preview. Now you can see how your website looks. So you can see here, whatever we have typed and added is added on. The color change is visible. So if everything is as per your own style and need, then you can go for, you can check how this website looks in your mobile. Let us go to this mobile option and click the button and see here, your website will look somewhat like this in mobile. Got it? I think it is very clear. Now we can go back. We can close this. Yes. Now, if it is a free version, it will be giving you an option to share it and then download it. And you can download it in a PDF standard form, right? And if it is a pro version, it will give you an option whether to publish this as a free version website or a purchased version. When you click this button here, this button will be a publish button. It will not be a share button. It will be a publish button. When you click the publish button, there will be two options for you. One option is to publish as a free domain. And the next option is publish for a purchased domain. So when you click on free, it will automatically give you and you'll be able to publish it. And if you want it for a purchased one, it will ask some details. Then when you fill up the details, it will take you to the payment page where your card details and then everything has to be filled up. After doing it, you have to wait for the verification. Once it is verified, your website will be public. I hope it is clear to everyone. If not subscribed my channel, click the button subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my awesome content.